What Cathie Woods just released about Cardano ADA and Bitcoin, why ADA will hit $100. Cardano is facing some difficulty in breaking the resistance zones, and trading in a consolidated range has become frustrating for investors. Currently, ADA is sandwiched between Binance Coin having a market cap of $57 billion and Dogecoin with a market cap of $42 billion. At the current valuations of close to $1.5, what scenarios can push ADA to the top cryptocurrency spot? Well, even at the value of $1.58, its market cap is close to $50 billion, and to become the top contender, ADA just needs to cross $25. So why Cardano is getting so much attention nowadays, and will it ever hit $100? To know the answer, watch this video till the end. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Before we get to the topic, let's analyze the ADA price. As of the 16th of July, the Cardano price has declined in the past 3 consecutive days as interest in cryptocurrencies fade. The ADA price has dropped to $1.2446, which is close to its June 27th low. Its market cap has dropped by more than 50% to the current $39 billion. What really happened? Cardano is a large blockchain network that helps developers develop apps. It also helps to solve popular challenges that face many companies, like counterfeiting and logistics. Recently, the developers announced a plan to introduce smart contracts, which will help people build dApps. While Cardano's developers have made progress, the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency industry has dropped. Indeed, the leading cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and Kraken have seen their volume drop by more than 50% since May. Data compiled by CoinMarketCap shows that the average daily volume of Cardano traded has dropped to about $1.3 billion. This is a sharp decline from more than $20 billion in May. Other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether have seen their volume crash as well. The 1D chart shows how the ADA price has fallen recently. We also see that the coin has formed what looks like a head and shoulders pattern. In price action, this pattern is usually a bearish sign. Also, the coin has moved below the 50-day and 25-day moving averages. Therefore, I suspect that the coin will maintain the bearish trend in the near term. This will be confirmed if it moves below the neckline at $1.0226. On the flip side, a move above the resistance at $1.4960 will invalidate this prediction. Now let's get to our topic. So, why Cardano will hit $100? There are many ways blockchain could impact lives. One of Cardano's founding principles was to solve real-world problems, such as economic accessibility. It has had a team based in Ethiopia for several years, traveling and building relationships with governments and ministries across the continent. Its recent flagship deal with the Ethiopian Ministry of Education is its biggest project yet. This partnership uses the Cardano platform to create digital IDs for 5 million students. It will give each student a secure and tamper-proof academic record that stays with them for life. As they move into the workforce or college, that ID will help them prove their academic credentials. Cardano and its many-headed Hydra. It's difficult to talk about crypto without getting technical very quickly. Cardano uses a layered blockchain to track transactions and store information. Blockchain ledgers are like very sophisticated databases built using interconnected blocks. Cardano's layers means it's able to process transactions faster than many other cryptocurrencies. In fact, it will be faster than Visa's processing capabilities of 65,000 transactions per second, TPS. Cardano has a second layer called Hydra that sits on top of the existing blockchain. It's a bit like express checkout at the grocery store. The basic blockchain handles the people coming in to do their huge monthly shop, while Hydra handles the quick shops of 10 items or fewer. Each express checkout till is like a processing pool that's called a Hydra head. Each head can process up to 1,000 TPS, so 1,000 Hydra heads would be able to process 1 million TPS. Unlike the mythological monster, when you shut down one head, it doesn't spawn 2 more. However, each user who connects to the network will generate 10 heads, so the more people using the network, the more processing power it has. Cardano has been in the top 10 cryptos since it launched. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who also co-founded Ethereum, but left after a disagreement on how it should be run. From the outset, Hoskinson, who was something of a crypto superstar, was determined to do things differently. Each step of the platform's development has been peer-reviewed as the experts built this new blockchain from scratch. That's why ADA has been in the top 10 coins by market capitalization since its launch in 2015. Is Cardano a good investment? Before you log on to your cryptocurrency exchange and spend all your money on Cardano, bear in mind that it still has a long way to go. For example, Ethereum already has smart contracts up and running, while Cardano hopes to launch them later this year. Smart contracts are self-executing pieces of code that let users set conditions on payments. For example, I'll pay you 5 ADA if you give me a copy of your ebook. They are at the heart of many blockchain applications, which is why around 2,800 applications already use Ethereum's network. According to State of the dApps, that's about 80% of the app market. It's early days for all cryptocurrencies and for investors, and it can be difficult to separate hype from substance. Cardano took the slow and steady approach, which means it has a very solid platform, but missed the first mover advantage. It hopes to roll out smart contract capability later this year, and that will be an important test of its technology. The Cardano community postulates the price of ADA will one day reach $100. In order for that to happen, Cardano would have to hit a $3 trillion market cap. To put that into perspective, Bitcoin only has a $1 trillion market cap after its 12-year lifespan. Meanwhile, Cardano is 4 years old and has a market cap of $61 million. For Cardano to make you a millionaire, it would need to reach $100 per coin, and you would need to have invested approximately $15,000 to $20,000, and it is predicted that Cardano will hit $100 in 2024. This year will make or break Cardano. The project has proved itself as a lone wolf that doesn't need Bitcoin's sloppy seconds, but it does need institutional support and an ecosystem of dApps to become the next Ethereum. Firstly, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the rates keep on changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the coin prices would have switched to a whole different range. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.